Need to connect your GoDaddy domain to an AWS EC2 instance? Follow these steps to set it up in just a few minutes. Step 1. Log in to AWS. Open your browser, go to the AWS console, and log in to your account. If you don't have an AWS account yet, sign up and follow the on-screen setup. Step 2. Allocate an elastic IP. Once logged in, navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Under Network and Security, select Elastic IPs. Click Allocate Elastic IP Address and note the new IP. You'll need it later. Step 3. Associate the Elastic IP with your EC2 instance. Select your EC2 instance from the list, then associate it with the Elastic IP you just allocated. Step 4. Set up Route 53 hosted zone. Go to Route 53 in the AWS console. Click Hosted Zones, then Create Hosted Zone. Enter your domain name. Route 53 will generate a set of name servers. Copy these for the next step. Step 5. Create DNS records. Inside your hosted zone, click Create Record. Choose A record for IPv4 and paste your Elastic IP in the value field. Add a second A record for the www subdomain pointing to the same Elastic IP. Save both records. Step 6. Update GoDaddy name servers. Log in to your GoDaddy account, go to My Domains, select your domain, and open DNS settings. Change the name servers to the custom ones provided by Route 53. Save your changes. DNS updates may take several hours to propagate worldwide. Once complete, your GoDaddy domain will be linked to your AWS EC2 instance. Thanks for watching. For more guides like this, check out our channel.